examining the influence of headmasters' sustainable leadership practices on teachers' learning organization practices in Malaysia. Today's rapid changes in technology, society, and the economy require schools to adapt quickly. Headmasters and teachers must work together to create strong, future-ready learning environments, especially in indigenous primary schools in Malaysia. Teachers are under pressure to continually learn new skills and use technology creatively so that students stay engaged. This study examined how headmasters' sustainable leadership that supports long-term growth and continuous improvement, affects teachers' learning practices. Using surveys completed by 518 teachers, the results showed very high reliability of the measurement tools. The analysis revealed that headmasters' sustainable leadership strongly influenced teachers' learning organization practices, accounting for 66.4% of the change. In simple terms, when headmasters lead well and support ongoing improvement, teachers are far more likely to keep learning and improving themselves. These findings highlight the need for school leaders to reflect on their leadership approaches so they can better support teachers in a fast-changing educational environment. Introduction. Global changes in recent years have forced schools to find new ways to continue teaching when face-to-face learning is not possible. While online learning became a major option, many students still lack access to devices and the internet. This situation has highlighted the important role of teachers, who must constantly learn new skills and adapt to changing teaching methods to maintain the quality of education. In Malaysia, the Ministry of Education is committed to providing high-quality, inclusive, and lifelong learning opportunities as outlined in the Sustainable Development Goals. Strengthening the leadership of headmasters is a key priority because effective leadership shapes school culture, supports teacher development, and drives student success. Headmasters must motivate teachers, monitor their progress, and create a learning-friendly environment. This is especially important in indigenous primary schools where equal educational opportunities must be ensured. Strong collaboration between headmasters, teachers, and the ministry is essential to provide quality education for indigenous students and ensure no child is left behind. Conclusion. This study highlights how headmasters' sustainable leadership plays a vital role in developing schools as learning organizations. Sustainable leadership focuses on long-term goals, ethical decision-making, and building strong, supportive school cultures. When headmasters practice this kind of leadership, they help create an environment where teachers and students continuously learn, collaborate, and adapt. Research shows that sustainable leadership encourages professional development, reflective thinking, and innovation. Key elements needed for schools to grow and remain resilient. This makes leadership training in sustainability essential for preparing school leaders to handle today's rapidly changing educational challenges. However, the study had limitations. It involved a smaller group of teachers from primary schools within indigenous communities in Malaysia, so the findings cannot be widely generalized. Future research should include larger samples across primary, secondary, and higher education institutions, as well as mixed research methods. Examining mediating factors may also offer deeper insights into how leadership influences school learning practices. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.